malaking angat yan
Totoo.
sa kanilang confidence dito because now, you know, what they're thinking right now, sabi siguro nila, kaya pala
Kaya
natin.
pala.
Oo.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Kirk kanina nga na, bakit nakaabot naman tayo ng 23? Bakit hindi nyo matapos yung 2 points?
And this is how crucial this game is. Estrelier, who was initially listed out for Letran,
Oh,
is on the floor. But EAC is unfazed.
their blocking is on fire. Pag si Toriado talaga yung nasa harap mo, hindi pwedeng hindi mo gagawa ng paraan kung paano mo palilihisin sa kamay niya. Dahil sobrang established eh.
At ito yung, again, sinasabi natin, ang kulang sa EAC this season, yung opensa nila. Because they are excellent when it comes to their blockings, their net defense, and floor defense as well. Ngayon, nahanap nila yung opensa. Ganito yung nagiging resulta.
Iba talaga kapag ka yung, alam mo yung weakness nyo na talagang na-training, na paghandaan.
That's
Pag
right.
lumabas talaga sa laro, talagang yung mga kalaban mo magugulat din eh.
Yeah. And this one is a check ball in favor of Alex Razonable. And you mentioned, iba yung gagawin ng panalong yun ng third set sa EAC. And we're seeing that so far. They ruled it as a check ball, so
That's a check ball. Check ball.
so 2-0. Diba? Iba yung galawan ng EAC dito. And they
Nakita
have,
mo yung tindig nila eh.
oh, and that extra swag as well. Razonable had to angle that one. Cara Dayanan. Oh!
Dayanan again. Talagang nasa momentum na si Dayanan since nung third set. Nakikita natin na talagang lahat ng binigay sa kanya, pinatay niya talaga eh.
Yeah.
But credits also to Dekilia for distributing the balls na talagang wala nang i-adjust yung spikers niya.
This might be the game that Dekilia retakes her position as the primary setter as Netura scores that point.
Another nonchalant move for Ventura.
Tinignan lang niya.
Yeah.
Tapos na.
Alam niya eh.
Alam niya.
Alam niya na outside eh.
So Letran now facing some adversity in this match kasi wala sa kanila yung momentum.
Naghahabol sila this time.
Dekilia off speed this time. Diretso kay Silva yon. Vane. Cara Dayanan.
Another one from Dayanan. Wow. And I think parang mas effective sa kanya yung malayo talaga sa net.
Yeah.
Mas nagagawa niya ng paraan yung set sa kanya kapag malayo talaga sa net.
Ganito. Ito yung tamang bigay sa kanya.
Mas naaanguluhan niya ng maayos.
Yung halos galing siya sa likod. So 4-1 lead. Estrelier reversing to Netura.
Ventura.
And that's where the points are coming from para sa Letran Lady Knights. Judiel Netura. Siya yung parang sure point sa kanila.
Yes, but this time alam niya na nababantayan na siya. Nabantayan siya ng third set. But this time, ang ginagawa niya, hinahabaan niya lahat ng palo niya.
Dekilia. Here's the running Ramos. They go to Judiel here. Soft touch. Dayanan. Out of system play. Judiel. Nakasarado. Martin. Sarado pa rin. Drop ball this time. Not gonna work. Dayanan will take it. Went
Still
back to
good.
their side. Razonable. Wala pa rin. Both teams showing solid net defense. Kaya dinrap ball na lang ni Dayanan.
That was a good off-speed from Dayanan. Makikita mo. Makikita mo, alam niyang umatras lahat eh.
You know,
So smart. So smart.
Cara Dayanan.
Now serving for EAC.
Right before this, she was first EAC's leading scorer, but Not by much. Interesting fact as well.
Whoa.
As Dayanan cashes in an ace.
She's on fire this set. And also, nung latter part, last set, siya din yun.
Yeah. Prior to this match, walang nag-a-average in double figures.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
Pagdating
iba.
sa scoring.
Yeah, iba talaga kapag yung dating nung nakapanalo ka ng isang set.
Yeah,
Madadala mo talaga.
that's true. Faulty connection from Letran's side will give an opportunity to Razonable.
Finally for Razonable,
7-2.
it was a team effort this time for EAC.
And EAC's efforts are paying off. This is their biggest lead in the match. Another good serve by Kara. Judiel checked already. Back to her. Bumalik ulit. On a touch.
Good net defense for Ramos and Razonable. Walang lumagpas na bola.
Oh, 8-2 lead for EAC. When we come back, we'll hear from our courtside reporter, Ms. Gleisen Galpo.
Mga kapuso, nakatutok pa rin po kayo dito sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Coach Mayet Carolino is always up for a good challenge because she believes that with every adversity is meant to build the character of her squad. Kaya naman, in this crucial set, the Lady Knights reminded each other during the huddle that they must continue communicating and being loud on the court, while consultant Alexi ended by calling on them to play like themselves and not like their opponents. One thing's for sure, Martin and Carly, they see this challenge not as something that will bring them down, but one that they are to overcome. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Gleisel. Well, that's the hope now for the Letran Lady Knights. Pero dito, sa simula ng ating fourth set, they are looking shaky.
So you can see Estrelier is in.
Oh, yeah.
In
Yeah,
the
she's
set.
been used, yeah, since the start of the set. Napagamit na.
Pagamit na talaga.
Oo.
I think yun din yung game plan nila.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Dito, no, sa fourth set.
Oo. Lalo na kapag alam nilang gilgida na or medyo delikado na.
I
You
like
can see EAC is delivering well talaga sa mga offense and blockings.
For Letran.
So, Carly, I mentioned earlier, ang pinakamataas na average sa EAC, 9.4 points per match. That's Cara Dayanan and Ashley Toriado. Tabla sila doon. Today, Dayanan has 15, Razonable has 11. So, lumabas yung opensa nila.
Lumabas talaga. Iba ang tindig ni Estrelier dito sa kabila. Sabi ko sa'yo, ang key players talaga natin for both teams is setter.
Score is 4, serving 9.
Habang sa Letran, it's Netura leading the way with 16. And 3 players are tied for 7. Ramos from the middle.
Long shot for Ramos.
EAC has been unleashed. And if they play like this until the very end of the classification round,
Alex Razonable.
we'll have ourselves a very interesting play-in matchup.
Iba talaga kapag ka napagana talaga lahat ng spikers. Kasi yun lang talaga yung kinukulang sa kanila, right?
That's true.
And
Service
yun lang.
Although prior to that, she's been serving well. Letran now, their turn to turn things around.
Serving for Letran.
Yen Martin to start. That's a nicely done jump serve. But a quick play is answered by EAC.
Another one for Ramos. Parang nag Nagpipiesta na siya sa mga sets ni Diquilla talaga. Kung makikita mo, no adjustments, talagang tumatalon lang siya. And she was able to place it kung saan niya gustong dalhin.
She scans the floor in mid-air. Itong si Marinel Ramos. Estrelier, here's the pass to Sari. It's a little tight, but Sari was able to make something out of it.
Sari knows na inaabangan na siya sa mga opensa niya. But this time, a smart play.
Lastly, Isar now serving
Nicely
for
done
the
by
Lady
Vanessa
Knights.
Sari. 6 serving 11. Isar to start. Nice
Service
serve.
save.
Jade Isar with the service ace could create some momentum for her squad.
Minsan lang tayo makikita ng service ace. no?
Kasi
Ganda ng mga receives
ganda ng mga
eh.
receive, yeah. EAC in particular. Cara Dayanan flies in. Vanet deflected. Oh, De Andres diving for it, pero
There's a point.
hindi nagkaamuyan si Pasaon at Resonable.
Just a miscommunication there, pero good sana.
Timeout EAC. Ladies
This is
and
now a
gentlemen.
string of points for Letran. Coach Kirk wants to talk things over.
Ang layo pa niya, no? Ilan ang hinabol nila? 4. Man,
Alaga tayo, te. Tatlo pa yan, no?
walang
Alaga pa.
kwenta yung mga mali natin, no? May pumalo ba? Wala, di ba? Man, sa magandang pasa, one stop tayo. Bigyan natin ng isa.
Hoy,
Ha?
tatlo lang yan. Go! Guys! Yeah! Go, go!
Gusto ko yung kada timeout naka-aura sa likod si Erica Buganale. Habang nagsasalita si Coach Kirk.
Ang pag-good vibes lang.
Pero hindi sinasabi ni Coach Kirk, yung mga puntos nang gagaling din sa atin, binibigay natin sa Letran.
Oh, parang sinasabi niya na there's nothing special dun sa ginagawa nung kabila. Anong ginagawa natin, right?
We'll see. They still have the 3-point lead though. Isara has been serving well. Cara Dayanan, what a dig right there from Colendra. Vanessa Sari finding a spot.
That's a good spot for Sari. That's a libero spot, by the way. So, hindi pa rin nagawa ng paraan.
4 na sunod na puntos para sa
Still serving
Letran.
for the Lady Knights. Lastly,
And this is only yung time na pumalo yung Letran.
Dun sa run na yun.
Dun
ano?
sa run na yon.
Correct. And the lead is down to 2. Dangerous territory now for EAC. As Letran continues to roll. Si Estrelier na yung kumuha. Pasaon is denied.
with the block point.
Leonelyn Padilla with the kill block.
Nabubuhay na yung Letran.
Oh, hindi si Estrelier.
Yes, it's
Ah.
Estrelier.
Substitution for EAC. Number 20.
So that's what they missed. The activity of Nat Estrelier.
It's really important pag meron talagang isang key player
Yan.
talaga na pumasok sa loob ng court.
Yan. Look who's back on the court for EAC. Joy Perez. You know, she hasn't seen action since set 1.
Yes, since set
Score
1.
is 10, serving
Dahil
11.
pinalitan siya ni Angelica Pasaol. We'll see if she can pick up her game. Perez charging it up. Razonable from behind. Nat going to Vanet. Toriado. It's Padilla and Toriado battling. Sari with the off speed. Dequilla to Toriado.
Wow!
She connects.
Toriado is being aggressive in the middle. Kanina ko pa nakikita, grabe. Sobrang gigil na siyang patayin yung bola pati.
Sa wakas.
Yeah, finally. Eh, nakita mo naman yun.
Yeah, we saw the reaction. It happened right in front of us. Pati tayo medyo nagulat. 12-10. Leonelyn, pero bumalik sa Letran. Vanet. Underhand pass. Perez
Finally, for Perez. Pero she's still adjusting dun sa mga binibigay sa kanya na sets, as we can see.
That's right. But this is a timely re-entry for Joy Perez.
Yes.
Kasi nag-struggle siya. Ang haba
Ang
nung
haba.
pahinga niya.
Totoo yan, ang hirap nun.
Yun. Pero ang bibigay niya sa'yo ngayon, fresh legs at
Yes.
yung mga power hits na ganyan.
Totoo.
Oh!
Oh, good dig.
Dig by De Andres. It's sent over. A chance for Letran. Estrelier swings away.
1-2 play for Estrelier. Medyo naninibago yung EAC dito since nung mga ibang sets, wala silang nakikita na ganito sa setter.
Yeah.
So this is really important talaga pagka may ganyan ka na setter,
Yeah.
offensive setter.
In her brief stint so far on the floor, she's done a lot of things already. Blocked, score a point, and of course, make some great passes. Here's Perez.
Oh,
Straight to the net.
Attack error.
I think she's more comfortable
na malapit sa
malapit,
net.
mas
Yeah.
tight, ano?
Yun din yung sinasabi ni Coach Kirk na bakit ang layo ng set sa kanya. And also, lefty siya, so medyo grabe talaga yung adjustments pag malayo talaga yung mabibigay sa kanyang set.
That's true. So Letran is back within a point. Ito, mas malapit. Perez. Another off the block for Perez.
Finally, mas gusto niya yung mga matataas talaga na bola. Pero malapit sa net.
Malapit. That's her comfort spot. Joy Perez will now serve.
For EAC.
So it's Razonable, Dayanan, Toriado now in front for EAC. Nice serve by Perez. Backs it for Colendra. Iba talaga yung pitik ng
Powerful
ni Shen
hit.
Colendra.
Yes. Walang nakakatama eh. Like, kung makikita mo sa blockings ng EAC, wala eh. And isa lang pala siya. Toriado lang yata yung tumalon doon.
Ni Shen Colendra has been consistent off the bench. She has provided stability and Letran scoring. Eto si Razonable.
Razonable.
Siya rin daw.
Alex Razonable.
15-13. Alex Razonable.
Siya din eh, pag nakita mong nag-elevate, maganda yung elevation niya and maganda yung naibigay sa kanya. Nakakahanap din talaga siya ng magandang target. And that's out.
Oh! Outside.
Service goes wide.
So Letran.
Lumihis.
Too far on the left yung serve na yun.
But in fairness, it's a rare service error for Toriado. Kahit nung mga last sets pa, hindi siya nag-error for service.
That's true. Perez with a good pass. Marinel Ramos. Tregalo, bumalik sa kanya.
Ramos is there. Sinasabi niya, nandito na ako, hindi na pwede.
Look at this. The ball
Our score is
pulling back to Marinel Ramos. And EAC ahead 16-14. We have ourselves an interesting match on a Friday afternoon. EAC contra Letran. First place Letran in Group B, last place EAC. But EAC is ahead here and they're trying to force a fifth set.
This is an interesting set
Yep.
for EAC. As we can see,
That's a
they're
point
leading
for
again against Letran.
Letran, this is not their usual self.
Yes. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, no? Kapag talagang naumpisahan ka ng magandang porsyento, ng mga pumuporsyento, magandang energy. But then, yun lang. Nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Diana, nobody's perfect. Napapagod din.
Papagod din yan. So 15-17.
Nisen Colandra. Now
Letran
serving for
still
Letran.
playing catch-up here in the fourth set. Another good first ball from Perez. Tipped over by Ramos. Overpass.
Oh,
And Letran with 2 straight points.
sayang
Point
yun.
awarded to the Lady Knights.
16-17.
Medyo dikit na to
Score.
masyado ah.
Serving
Hindi
na.
natin talaga alam.
Again, lahat po ng set natin. Ganito ang tema. Dikitan lang hanggang dulo.
Walang palyado eh, no?
Oo.
Good receive.
Razonable, a clean hit. But the blockers were established. Martin! Perez with the reaction. Razonable.
Oh, that was a strong spike for Razonable. But good intention though, kasi talagang ginawan niya ng paraan
yeah.
even though malayo yung pinanggalingan ng
Set
bola.
aside at
That's right.
17 points.
3 straight for Letran.
Yes, but still there's no room for errors this time.
Yeah. Sharp
Another
serve.
service ace for Letran.
Colendra has been their game changer today.
Ito yung mga hindi nila kailangan this time.
Talking about EAC, of course, they've been steady on the first ball. Pero sinishen Colendra unleashing some sharp serves to challenge EAC's first ball. This is a much better first pass. Dayanan to the quicker. Tumawid pa. Martin tips it over. The save by Dayanan. Razonable out of system play. Here comes Letran. Sar is denied.
Whoa!
Ramos on the second jump.
Ramos again on the middle. Talagang pag siya yung kumuha ng regalo, mapapaisip ka na no? Iiwas ka na lang
Iiwas ka
ba?
na.
Or bablakin ko ba to?
Kasi ito,
Talagang baon eh. Alam niyang puntos.
Alex Razonable now serving for
tabla ulit
EAC.
tayo. Di ba? Diba?
Masyado tayong malakas sa universe.
Oo nga, tama. 16 points for Razonable. Yen Martin, change of approach. Dequilia. Estrelier, siya yung kumuha doon.
Oh!
And Nat scores again, her second point off the bench.
Another point for Estrelier. Talagang hindi pa nila ma-adjustan yung 1-2 play ni Estrelier.
Yeah. And you like Nat, you know, she's risking it.
Yes.
Diba?
The fact na meron siyang iniinda, nagde-deliver pa rin siya for the team.
For the Lady Knights.
19-18, Letran is back in front. The quick play.
Ramos!
Oh, she has been such a force from that middle area.
Ramos is on fire this set.
Substitution for EAC.
And I think she'll be replaced for service.
Number 9, Erika Botonal.
By
Wow.
Grabing Ramos.
Grabe.
Erika Budonal.
Now serving for the
Coming
Lady
in to serve.
Generals, Erika Botonal.
Si Miss Aura ng timeout. Si Erika Budonal.
Totoo nga.
Nakakatuwa siya pag nagda-timeout.
Good vibes lang.
Oh!
Medyo napalakas.
Yun ang masakit. Dahil ipinasok ka
Totoo.
for that purpose, di ba?
Wait,
And
so-
you know that feeling, Carly. You know that feeling.
Oo, kaya
Exactly.
tinititigan ko siya. Tinititigan ko siya kasi I know the feeling.
Yeah.
It's okay, girl.
But there's a lot of pressure. Di ba?
Yes, totoo yan. Buti nga hindi pa super crucial.
Ito, crucial na.
Ayan na. Kasi minsan ako, pumapasok ako 24 eh.
Correct. O yun.
Yun talagang bawal.
Bawal. Bawal magkamali.
Pag nagkamali ka dun, hindi ka na
Di pa
makakatulog.
tumatapos yung bola, pumapasok ka na, basahin mo muna yung bola. Di ba? Huwag kayong namamadali. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, one step at a time tayo. Kasi, minamadali na naman nila. O, doon tayo nakakuha kanina eh. Isang pasa.
Dalawa lang.
Set tayo.
Dalawa. Ako.
Malinaw yung mensahe ni Coach Kirk. Huwag kayong magmamadali.
I think nadadala lang din sila sa energy ng Letran, knowing na they're used to this ganitong situation talaga.
That's true.
And nasasabayan nila yun, which is hindi pa ganun
Last
nila
isa.
kakapa yung ganong moments.
And, well, this is part of the learning experience for EAC as Joy Perez.
Another one for Perez. Finally, she's contributing sa mga crucial part na ng set.
Ito na. Si Perez again only came back here in the fourth set. Might be a good time
And
para...
hindi niya in-expect yun.
Oo. Ito, kuha ko sa kanya, ibubuhos ko na lahat dito, di ba?
Wala naman nang mawawala.
Walang mawawala. Lara May, an overpass, a rare over-reception from Silva. Perez on the
Yes!
retake.
I
And
told
it's
you.
good.
And
Back to
nakikita
back.
mo kanina sa kanya, talagang hiningi niya na yung bola. Which means nakakakuha na siya kahit pa konti-konti ng kumpiyansa. Credits again to the Kilya for trusting Perez.
That's true. Back-to-back points of a spike from
Set this time.
Joy Perez. Dequilia now will serve. Mariel Dequilia, all 12 excellent sets off the bench. She floats it. And this is Bane. That was deflected. Back set for Dayanan. Kept alive by Letran. It's still going. Two players crashing. Dayanan angles it. Oh,
Buhay
what a
pa!
reaction from Dayanan.
Wow.
Keeps it in play. Vanessa Sari sends it away.
There you go for Sari.
22-21.
It's a great effort for EAC.
Wow.
Walang pinakawalan kanina. But then Sari, sabi niya hindi na daw talaga pwede. Gusto niya nang tapusin to. Gusto niya nang tapusin. Sana.
Oo. Pressure is on EAC now. Perez off the
another
block.
point.
Oh, she is on a roll here.
I told you. Pag off the bench talaga siya. Kasi last game, napansin ko nung nag-off the bench siya, talagang dun siya nag-contribute ng maganda. And then now, off the bench din siya, dun din siya nag-init talaga.
Mas familiar yung role na yan for Perez. Now she will serve. Sharp one unleashed. Tipped over. Good reaction from Toriado. Estrelier to Sari. Kinaliwa. Pero tumama siya sa net. Sino tumama? Nagkaturoan si Toriado at Sari. They'll check this one out.
We have
Oh,
a
it's
coach's challenge
Diana.
for the EAC
Umamin
Lady
siya.
Generals.
Umamin.
Yes.
Hit touch.
Okay. So puntos
Yes.
para
For
sa
the Lady
Letran.
Generals.
Credits to
Awarded
Dayanan for
to
the
Letran
honesty.
Lady Knights.
That's rare, especially
Yes.
in a crucial
point.
time like this.
Totoo.
Vanessa
A critical
Minsan
time.
hindi pa aaminin eh, no?
Oo. Back set for Cara. Bumawi!
Kasi papawiin niya pala.
That was a long cross court.
And nakita niya talagang walang tao.
Substitution for the EAC.
Wow.
Erika Potonan
For that,
Number 10,
diagonal.
Marinel Ramos in.
Sobrang hirap din kuhanin doon for the defense.
Astoriado now serving for EAC.
23 all. Walang bibitaw. Silva with a good pass. Off speed will not work. Somebody touched the net. And it was razonable.
For the Lady Generals.
So now it's match point for Letran.
It's the unforced error again for the EAC.
The Leon de San Juan de Letran
Medyo
Lady
hindi
Knights
natin ina-expect
are
dito
now
yung mga
at
nagiging
match point.
errors nila.
Masakit yun.
Halang Padilla now serving
That
for
could
the
put
match.
Letran Well, they're on the brink of winning their 10th straight match. Dayanan with the adjustment.
Oh!
EAC is not yet done.
Na-extend pa. Hindi pa talaga na pa.
Diba?
Masyado tayong magaling magdasal.
We are extending the set.
What a display of composure here from this EAC squad.
Dayanan now serving for
You know, yung good thing dito is wala talagang nag-expect.
That's
Diba?
true. That's true. Here's Colendra. Outside.
Outside.
Was there a check? They'll review this.
We have a coaching challenge. Let's not play tonight. Block punch.
Again, nobody expected this, you know. If you watch the NCAA, people expected an easy dub, easy win
Yes.
for Letran because of their dominance so far at yung sitwasyon din ng EAC.
At least, di ba? Na-prove ng EAC na kaya naman.
Ah.
Kaya nila.
This might be a turning point for EAC though.
Yes,
Kasi parang may na-discover sila dito.
actually.
Diba?
Lalo na yung part na talagang nagpalit sila ng setter, which
Yeah.
is the crucial part for them.
That's true. Was there a check? There was none.
There's no touch.
Block punch. This is
So
go.
EAC is in set point. Timeout, Coach Mayef.
Talatron Lady Knights have one chance remaining in the set. Timeout. Let's run Lady Knights.
I know your neck is hurting. Two sets now open up.
Let's check out the schedule first. This coming Sunday, March 1st, JRU kontra Perpetual. Sa ating unang laban, that's Group A action. And it'll start 12 noon. Second game, San Beda kontra EAC. We want to predict the result of this match, but we can't anymore. This is a different EAC we're seeing today.
For sure, magiging maganda yung mga adjustments ni Coach
Yeah.
for the next game.
Okay.
The
EAC
Lady Generals
with a
are
chance
now at set point.
to force a fifth set.
Dayanan now serving for the set.
Can they do it? Estrelier, Colendra,
Oh!
De Andres with the dig razonable. Silva was there. The push. Dequilia, back to Alex. Silva to Colendra again. It continues. Razonable off speed, dive by Silva. Martin will try. Dequilia, Ramos. Oh, it's saved. Great effort from both teams. Razonable. Colendra puts it down.
It's not yet done for both teams. Wow. Grabe. Grabe tong laro na to.
We are
Tabla ulit
tied.
tayo.
45
25 all sa fourth set.
Hazen Colendra
Hindi
now
bumibitaw.
serving for the prize.
Nabuhay din yung mga nanonood dito sa venue.
That's right. Letran doesn't want this to extend, but they commit the service error.
That was a crucial service error for Colendra.
EAC is back at set point. Timeout, another for
Lady
Letran.
Knights.
Easy, easy, easy. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Right? Again, easy side out, we go. You know that. Good? If we play, ladies, if we play long rallies, they defensing now deep all the time. If we need just behind the block to tip, they have to go down. Come on.
Okay, go na ba? Sa half. Ate ako isa. Tapos lang ni Mayos. Mayos. Very good.
Okay. Another critical moment in the match. Letran, hindi nila matapos. You know, they can't get over the hump here in the fourth set.
Now it's a matter of heart and courage.
EAC Lady Generals are
For
now at
this
set
moment.
point.
We'll see kung sino ba yung talagang
Now
matapang
serving for the
natatapos.
set. Alex Razonable.
And the pressure is on for Alex Razonable. who will be tested once again. Nice serve. Here comes Letran. Martin is denied. And we go to a fifth set.
Vincent!
EAC and Letran going to 5 of a kill block by the Lady Generals.
Masyado pong malakas manalangin ang mga
27-25, 36 minutes. Fourth set po natin. We go to a fifth for free volleyball coming right up.